Hi, today we are going to see demo for garbage management web application. First we will start the XAMPP control panel. Start the Apache and MySQL. Then click on the MySQL admin. Left side you can see the backend database on this table. Then open the Visual Studio. Explore the garbage folder. Then here you can view the addressing files. Then go to the readme text. It's have a login details, then browser link. Copy the URL link, paste to the browser. Now you can view the garbage management web application. It's have a three roles: user, admin and driver. First let's start with the admin login. Click on the admin and enter the email ID. Enter the password. Login successfully. Admin can manage various modules. First go to the add driver. Here we can assign a new driver. So enter the given details. Enter the driver email ID. Then create a driver ID. Then register. Next go to the view driver. Here you can view the all drivers details. Then admin can update and delete the driver details. Next we will go to the create bin. Here we can assign a work to driver. So enter the work area and locality, landmark city. Select the type of load. Then assign a driver email ID. Then select the cycle period. Then write the best route. Then click on the submit. Next go to the update bin. Here you can view the bin ID and driver's works. So update the work location. Click on the update map. You can go to the Google map. Then drag and drop to the current location. After the pin to location, click on the update geo. Now update the location. Next update and delete the details. Then go to the user detail. Admin can view the all user contact details on this page. Next we will move for the user. Click on the user role. We have to sign up. So click on the sign up. Register the given details. Enter the name, email ID, then password, mobile number, then write the address and city. Then register. Enter the 8-digit password. Your password must contain at least one capital letter, one special character, then length of 8 digit. Now you register successfully. If you already registered, you can use in your email ID and password. Now login successfully. Here you can view the 3 modules. First go to the new complaints. People can raise a complaint on this page. So click on the bin ID or locality. You can find our area. Then click on the ticket. Here you can raise the complaint. Then complaint submitted. After the complaint registered, admin will be see the view complaints. Here you can see the register complaints. Then click on the update status. Admin can update the complaint status. Next go to the my complaint. Here you can view your complaint status on this page. Then my profile is used to update your contact details. Then you can next we will move for the driver. Click on the driver login. Enter the driver email ID. Enter the password. Now driver homepage login successfully. Click on the best route and the work. Here driver can view our work and the details. Go to the show map. Here you can view the work location on this page. Then if you want to update your status, click on the update and select the status. Then submit. If driver will be update the work reports, it capture the time and the dates. Then here admin can view the all work reports on this page. That's the whole garbage management web application.